stopped again. Why does it always stop? Okay, I guess we need to change the battery. Because each time we charge it only works for 2 minutes. Oh, hello. Okay, let's make a lesson how to change this battery. This is a new battery. Okay, so this new battery we have. So I'm gonna take this out first. It's pretty heavy. It's cool, right? See the wires? This is our battery. I need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws to take out the whole battery. I guess I'm gonna start screwing. So you see, I already unscrewed these 7. Now I have to clean this dirty boy and unscrew this too. Okay. Okay, now we need to lift this up. Can you see this battery and this battery? They're basically the same. You use these paper, you lift it up, and you unplug it. So this is the old one. So now we're gonna put the new one. This is the new one. So now you see we got that plugged in. We're gonna put it right in here. And then you grab this panel. Wrong way. Back on here. Now I'm gonna screw it back. Now we screwed all 7, so I'm gonna screw this one right here. Okay, let's turn. Now we're gonna press it if it works. Press long. Oh. It works. If you saw this chicken in the video, like and subscribe. If you haven't, how about if you click those 2 buttons too?